Every growing revenue team hits the same wall. Expertise is stuck in the heads of your leaders, but reps forget their training and fall back to old habits. Avarra changes that. Avarra is the AI avatar platform that scales your expertise in playbooks the way you designed.
I'm worried that we're feature dumping in first meetings. Can you pull up the slide I created?
Okay, what's the key point you want me to drive home when I'm teaching this?
Well, if we just pitch features, there's no logical discovery path. We need to lead with insight, follow with social proof, and then move to a discovery conversation. And we should be using vertical-specific customer stories.
Got it. Insight reframes the problem. Social proof with a vertical matched customer makes it real. Then discovery validates if they're feeling it. And you want that flow tight, no skipping steps.
That's exactly right.
All right, I've got what I need to coach this. Thanks.
You define the critical skills and behaviors, then our avatars coach your reps the same way you would. It knows your playbooks, catches where reps go off track, and corrects in the moment.
All right, Bruce, here's the deal. We're practicing one skill today. This slide shows the difference between feature dumping with AI buzzwords versus the insight social proof discovery flow that actually works. Want me to model the language first, or are you ready to just jump into practice?
No, I'm ready. So about 84% of CROs report challenges with CRM hygiene and accuracy. Of course, inaccurate CRM data leads to slow workflows and inaccurate forecasts. How do you feel about the qualities of your CRM data?
Let me stop you there for a minute. You nailed the insight and you went straight to discovery, but you skipped the social proof stuff. That's the exact trap your boss called out. Try it again. Insight, then the Acme widget story, then discovery.
Now your reps can practice with prospect avatars whenever they want, as much as they want. And with real-time avatar coaching, they'll perfect the skills they need to win.
So Marcus, 84% of CROs report challenges with CRM hygiene and accuracy. Acme Widgets implemented Luminary and within 60 days increased deal velocity by 30% and forecast accuracy by over 60%. How do you feel about the quality of data that's in your CRM?
See how reps are performing, who's improving, who's not, and where focused coaching time makes the most difference.
Hey, Kate, how's the team doing learning to lead with insight?
Great. Let me show you. It was a patchy start. Average starting score was low, but I've done over 1,000 sessions across 272 sales reps. We drove 74% improvement. Now the team is scoring 93%.
Terrific. Is the team putting in the work?
Yes. Actually, reps who did 3 or more sessions saw an 86% improvement. The biggest improvement was for the mid-market and SMB teams.
Does anyone need a little extra help?
A handful of folks are still struggling. I'll send you the list.
The same approach works everywhere you need to execute, across the entire customer journey. From client onboarding to deal strategy to product knowledge, our expert avatars are there for you 24/7.
Hi, Alex. I could use your advice on the Blooper Tech deal.
Okay, let me have a quick look. Looks like they're hesitant to switch given all their existing integration. We need to reframe the conversation to accelerating deal velocity.
Yeah, how do I do that here? I'm having a hard time gathering the data we need to tell that story.
I think Susie will be our strongest champion. Get a meeting with her and look at 3 deals that slipped out of their forecast. Once she sees the challenge in their own data, use the Acme Corp case study as proof for how we can solve it.
Yeah, I like that. Good idea.
Let me summarize the plan so you have it to review right before the call. Here's your game plan.
Teams using Avarra are seeing reps ramp faster, hit quota more consistently, and reduce churn across the business. Your best just became everyone's baseline. Scale your people, playbooks, and revenue with Avarra.